Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm the owner and founder of Lewis Artwork and Digital Designs. I'm a graphic designer, a web designer, as well as a Python developer. And if you've clicked on this video, you've definitely come to the right place, especially if you want to learn Python development. This video will be the first of many videos in a series entitled Introduction to Python course. So without further ado, let's get started. First thing we're going to do is we're going to open up a terminal. So now we're going to check our Python version before we do anything, like if we want to download the new or latest version of Python. So on MacBooks and terminal, what you're going to type in is Python -- version. Now on this computer, I've already removed Python, but all computers come with a pre-installed version of Python, including MacBooks. So yours is going to say the latest version. However, like I stated before, mine has already been removed. I've installed Python 3. So I'll type in Python 3 -version -version, and you'll see Python.11.1 is installed. So now I'm going to go to python.org/downloads to download the latest version. So click download. And as you can see, it's now downloaded to the computer. So I'm going to open that up. Once it's open, the installation process will happen and you press continue all the way through. Just follow the prompt, agree, install, put in your password for your MacBook. And now it's going to install. So I'm going to fast forward through this process so that it could, finish. It takes a little bit of time. Once it's done, it'll go to the summary. But basically, it'll just kind of close this out. Just a few more seconds, and it should be complete. And voila! Now we have the folder. Once the latest version of Python is installed, you can go to that folder, and you'll see the IDLE. That's the editor that comes downloaded with Python. So go ahead and open that up. And you can do some simple operations such as 1 + 1 is equal to 2, or 5 - 3 is equal to 2. And you can also do a simple print statement such as hello. And it'll print hello. Now in the next video, we're going to download one of my favorite editors called PyCharm. There are a number of different things that you can do with PyCharm, and I'll be able to show you in the next video once we download it. You can go ahead and close this out. Be sure to like, subscribe, share, comment. Let me know if you have any questions. Feel free to reach out to me and I'll do my best to comment and reply back to you guys. Thank you.